What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Chef. Damn, I'm super fast. What's the deal, you guys? It's your boy Chef Quail and
Shayla.
We got the shrimp, boy. We got the lobster. You know what? I'll see y'all next time. No. This is my #1 customer, by the way, y'all.
Wait a minute.
She came like 55
Do
times.
this over because I have my scarf on.
this my height. Guess my height, and I'll send you a free garlic butter. I'm gonna send it to you. You give me your Addy, and I'm gonna get it to you, boy. All right? Part right? What's this?
Heartburn.
You look, you really family now.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Aww.
That's hard. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video. We out here in Riverside. We finna get it going. You already know.
My face actually, hell yeah, dude. Hey, what's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Chef Quail. We pulling up, bro. I got the food. Got the setup. The vibes is going, y'all. It's movie night tonight, boy. Come on, baby. They got the popcorn going, the balloons, the pool right here. Pool on a hot day. Come on, dog.
Are you gonna be able to get to it?
Say it again. I don't know. I probably can move this.
Hi guys, I'm already sweating. Look at the decorations. Get cute. It's a movie night. Welcome to Miko's movie night. At the drink station, popcorn, and the movie theater. Too cute. Oh, that was good in here. It's so hot out here, guys. Oh, and they got the karaoke machine.
Hey, what's the deal, vlog? It's your boy Chef Quail. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video. We out here in Riverside. We finna get it going. You already know.
All right, side quest, y'all. I done forgot the eggs, so we finna go gas some real fast. You know what they say. Quail wouldn't be Quail if you ain't forget a thing. All right, Chad, we on our way to the store to get some eggs. And if y'all just now tuning in, what's the deal? Y'all make sure y'all like the video, share the video, comment, and subscribe. This shit, y'all, I done forgot the eggs, bruh. So I'll tell you, it's a busy day for me. It's a busy week for me, you know? All right, Chad, we got the goods. We finna get it going. We finna get it going, bruh. That's a nice setup. Movie night. Full vibes, Chad. All right, y'all, we got the veggies. We're gonna start off with the veggies. We're gonna put them down. We got the pan nice and oiled, grilled. We got the cut green onions, and carrots. We're gonna put that down. All right, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add a little bit of oil, you guys, and this is for the eggs. We're gonna add the scramble. We're gonna add the eggs on there. Hold up now. Let's get the damn.
You always coming with the
You
kids.
know I always gotta
Too good.
I gotta give my man. I gotta keep him right.
I'm spoiled, all right? Get up close.
Well, let me see.
Oh, that's fly.
Aww.
That's hard.
Oh, 24.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the back.
Yeah, who they playing with?
Turn around, let me see the back.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
that's
official
so
now.
cute.
What they talking about?
You look, you really family now.
Yeah, happy birthday. 2-4 like Kobe. Yeah. We don't want to hear it, buddy.
Nice.
A little more oil. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna break the rice up so we can focus more on one of the rice. We got the fire at a low heat. We don't have to worry about it. But in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season. First, I'm gonna go with some black pepper, y'all. And don't be stingy, y'all. This is a lot of rice, y'all. People be stingy with so much rice. Like, bro, put it in there. Put it on the peppers.
There's enough damn salt there, Willie.
You think of that every time you do that.
They starting to flip right here. Alright, Chad, I got some artwork for you guys, okay? If you ever had hibachi, you should know what this is. I'm sure y'all all know what this is right here. That's a little beat up. Let's see. Anybody know what this is right here?
The heart.
Oh, that's a heart? Okay. If that's a heart, that's a heart, right? What's this? Heartburn. Yeah. Okay. Garlic butter. Look at that garlic chunks in there. You see that? Put that up in there. Yeah. Look at the big tray on ice.
Ice?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, got you.
Little Hennessy, pour some out for the homies. Alright, so we got seasoning too. Fast for the seasoning. We ain't stingy. A little salt, a little pepper.
I won't clear up shit, I feel like Tommy. That constant coke in the bar. 1, 2.
Doing the flipping the chicken. Doing a nice touch on the chicken like that, so that's what I was putting the shrimp down.
He wasn't gonna show y'all.
Well, this not even the vlog, so it don't matter.
You gonna use it as a short. Before I get him, bro.
That's good.
You ready for the pan?
All right. Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Chef. Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Chef Cole. We're right here with Talana. She's flipping, y'all. This is my #1 customer, by the way, y'all.
Wait a minute.
She came like 55
I have to do
times.
this over because I have my scarf on.
This for the vlog.
You good. All right, so what we got here, we got the veggie fried rice, you guys. Extra garlic butter on everything. We got the hibachi veggies, zucchini, onions, mushrooms, Italian squash, broccoli. We got hibachi chicken, y'all.
Put you in the reel.
Hibachi grilled chicken mean the
We'll
same
put you in the
thing,
reel.
y'all. We got the ribeye steak, extra garlic butter. We got the
This is
salmon, boy. We ain't fucking around, boy.
Right.
We got the shrimp, boy.
No,
We got the lobster. You know what? I'll see y'all next time. Yeah, we in a super line chat. And the game on.
To dine in.
Look at the dine-in line, bruh. Chat, y'all don't even know how tall I was. For all the people that say I'm short, look, I'm way taller than my boo.
5'4".
If she 5'4", somebody guess my height, and I'll send you a free garlic butter. I'm gonna send it to you. You give me your Addy, and I'm gonna get it to you, boy. All right. So we're gonna order up. Let me show y'all what we're gonna order in a minute. So don't even say it. All right, man. Chat, look at the inside. They got the game on, so it's overly loaded. Talking about overly loaded. All right, chat. This is what we got from Tacos Los Cholos, bro.
What is everybody doing? Holding spots?
Tacos Los Cholos, boy. You right here, right?
Put your video, but
Let's take it back, chat. We jaywalking. Got my boo out here jaywalking. This her idea, though.
I was gonna say, I got 2 J.
All right, Chad, this the Cholo bowl right here. I got the refried beans, the Mexican rice with the pollo, and I got a molita. And then this right here is, what's that?
Asada tacos.
side of
With
tacos
cheese.
is melted cheese. That looks good. It's hella meat. Like, goddamn. And what's that?
Molita.
Molita. Is this what I got?
Yeah.
Like chicken molita. Yeah.